Today I have a fantastic recipe that will take your salads to the next level. Get ready to learn how to make a quick and simple 5-minute Caesar dressing. This is one of the most popular salads made, and some make it more complicated. Don't waste your time on steps like hand chopping ingredients or making mayo from scratch. I am showing you an easy recipe that is fresh and full of flavor that comes together in less than 5 minutes. This Caesar salad dressing is so delicious. It is the recipe we used in our restaurant that customers demanded when they came in. Yes, we sold thousands of these salads and received rave reviews each time. Now you get to see the how-to of this greatest Caesar recipe. But I won't stop there. I'm about to share the recipe with you, show you 3 ways to avoid failing making this dressing, and finally what I do to level up the salad. So let's get started now. Grab a blender. This is my go-to blender. It's a 1400 watt Ninja. If you don't have one already, it will replace your other blender or food processor. It's amazing, and you can find a link for it below. Just dump all of these ingredients in, but leave the mayo out until the end. Half cup garlic, 1 ounce anchovies, 3 tablespoons of deli mustard or a brown mustard. This is one of the 2 ingredients that vary from the traditional recipe and turn out to be better than the original. Then 3 teaspoons black pepper, 1 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 4 1/2 tablespoons of lime juice. Yep, lime juice, not lemon. Then 4 1/2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 1/4 cups extra virgin olive oil. Blend it for a moment. You will see that with this Ninja, it is done in a few seconds. If you have an inferior blender, just blend it until you see this consistency. From here, move it into a bowl and whisk in the 2 1/4 cups of prepared mayonnaise by hand. Don't put the mayonnaise in your blender with the other ingredients. You will risk the mayo breaking. When this happens, your dressing will look curdled. It may not happen every time, but avoid the issue by following what I do here. You can see with a gentle blending with the whisk, the consistency looks great. Set that aside. Now let's make the croutons and prepare the salad. Heat your oven to 425 degrees. Melt some butter with some garlic, add some black pepper and salt. Cut some sourdough into odd-shaped cubes. Toss the bread cubes with the butter mix and spread it out on a baking sheet. Add a sprinkle of granulated garlic or powdered garlic over the top for an extra garlic punch. Toast them in the oven for about 8 minutes. Toss them around and continue baking until they are golden brown, about another 5 minutes. It's best if they are slightly soft and will become crunchy when they cool. Now, clean and chop your lettuce. I have chosen butter lettuce for its superior texture and flavors. It's known by a few other names also, like Boston and Bibb. Romaine is the classic standby, but to level up the salad, use this one for a better texture and flavors. Dry your lettuce well. Otherwise, the wet leaves will not allow the lettuce to hold onto the dressing well. What does stick will get diluted by the water on the leaves. In a large bowl, add in your clean dry greens, 1 cup of Parmesan or Romano, 1 cup of croutons, and save a little for later. You'll see why. Add half a cup of the easy 5-minute Caesar dressing. Mix well until the leaves are covered. We made extra because the rest of this dressing will hold in your fridge for about a week. That is a week's worth of delicious sandwich toppings, fast breakfast, and dinner dips, or more craveable salads made this week. I have shared with you 3 things to avoid. First was to avoid making your own mayo. That was such a 1990s thing. Just open a jar of your favorite mayo and use it. It's inexpensive, delicious, and probably already in your fridge. Then, how and when to add the mayonnaise. The last was not drying your greens before adding the dressing. Don't make a salad soup. Make an amazing Caesar salad instead. A bonus was the use of Bibb lettuce. Do you have a favorite salad recipe? Add it in the comments below. Is your recipe something I should make in a future video? Did you make this recipe? Let me know how it turned out. Now in this last minute, look at another quick way to serve your Caesar salad. Wrap it in a tortilla. Take it from bowl and fork to what we all prefer from our foods, handheld. Add some protein to it if you want. Sauté some vegetables, grill some steak or chicken, or follow my lead. I sautéed cod with an island spice. You'll find this spice recipe in my other video, Best Ahi Steak Sandwich Copycat Chili's Grill, how to make easily. It's a versatile spice blend that can be used in so many ways. Yum, this is delicious. This is awesome. I love this. Ooh-wee. Yes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. YouTube wants you to see this next video, so do I. Click on it now.